brands are leveraging social media to grow their business frequently for their brand awareness. Social media marketing services help you in from blatant promotional posts and pushy sales messages to campaigns that have a story with timely and meaningful posts. Facebook, Instagram are the most powerful social media platforms which offer social media marketing services. The most powerful feature of social media has is stories. Snapchat put forth the idea of stories, and later all social media has implemented that. We can see the stories for a period of 24 hours on the user profile. Hence, stories are a powerful and useful feature to view and offer a comprehensive variety of customers' options. Thus, brands leverage with social media stories. Here are a few strategies to make you more creative with your stories. Strategies to create creative stories. 1. Using user-generated content. The power of using the content generated by existing users impacts on your brands. Do reposting the user stories using your products and services and tag them in your story to increase the engagement and create interest and enthusiasm to your targeted audience. Your users also tag you in their stories and serve as a leverage to get posted on your stories. You can also increase your brand awareness and showcase your skills better by reposting your user stories. We cannot estimate where an average user spends time on social media every day and produces content in numbers. So, focus on using the power of content created by your users. 2. Do event promotions. Coronavirus has affected events and became challenging to host successful events. Engage your audience actively with your stories and make a principle of your event alive. And now, leverage your stories content with many attendees and mention what's happening actually. For example, Disney Live has posted the Black Panther premiere stories to make their fans come closer to their favorite Avenger. Even though the idea was before the pandemic, you can use it for better results than ever. 3. Newsletters. Social media marketing services face a challenge while marketing a brand that keeps subscribers up to date with the new brand promotions and makes them try new things. Make a newsletter of your stories and promote that newsletter, which helps you engage with your customers effectively. You can also include various categories and highlight them of your products and make sure to add links for the users to access them. 4. Promote your brand. Most of the brands are now implementing posts of appreciation or giveaways concept. It helps the brands tag a user and convey a message to appreciate them and later offer free products or services to a few users to organize a few of their friends to the post. Doing all these also helps you to promote your thoughts towards your followers, along with the stories. 5. Promote your existing products. If you post your products repetitively, it may be annoying for your users, but repetitive stories may provide a unique feeling. You can promote your product through stories in several ways when compared to feed. The only thing you should do is finding the right creative mix for your products. It may be anything in your products that suit your followers' needs with the changing weather or some new social development. 6. Conduct polls. Conduct polls on your Instagram stories, which is a fun way to engage more with your users and know your brand. Your followers can save from many troubles and creates a feel where their opinion matters. For example, a designer asks their followers to choose the best color out of 3 colors for a dress design. Whereas other brands just promote their designs to their audience and conduct a poll, they like the look. Conclusion: you can increase your engagement and promote your products in many ways in today's day. But following these trends is better for every marketer. Utilizing the power of stories helps you to do more creative with your brand and explore your audience's interests. Most importantly, check your engagement ratings and involve your audience more by creating innovative content. Thus, how brands leverage with social media to grow their brand awareness. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.